Hi there, it's Jo here from Time for Tea Designs, and I am continuing our countdown to the Time for Tea Designs new release for November. This is the final day of reveals, so we have some more great products to share with you today. First up is our little gingerbread family. So this is from our home to yours, and these are our little gingerbread characters. We have 4 gingerbread characters in total in different poses and different outfits. So we have a little girl here with a little skirt on, and then we have 3 other characters with different expressions on their face. We also have the gingerbread house here. We have a gingerbread cat, and we have our gingerbread tree. And then we have some additional accessories that you can use to dress up each of your characters. So we have a hat, we have a bow tie, we have some mistletoe, we have a candy cane, and we have a sweet. And then we have these little gumdrops that you can use to decorate your background with. The sentiment "Have a Sweet Christmas" and "From Our Home to Yours" goes perfectly with this set. And this is going to make some really, really fun projects. In addition to that, this set does come with coordinating dies that you can purchase separately, and it has an additional die which is like a little secret die that you might wonder, well, what does this do? This little squiggly die here will cut off any of the legs of your characters to make it look like they've had a bite taken out of them, which I think is a really, really fun idea. So that is our little gingerbread family. The final stamp set from this release is the Snow Much Fun stamp set. These are some adorable little snowmen that will look so sweet on any of your Christmas cards and winter projects. I absolutely love snowmen, and we haven't done a snowman stamp set up until now, and I couldn't wait to bring this one to you. Each of our little snowmen are in different poses, doing different Christmassy activities. So we have our snowman here with his winter hat on, with his hot chocolate in his little branch arms. We have the snowman here who is hanging a bauble on the tree. Our snowman with the lights and his earmuffs on. And then we have our traditional looking snowman with the cute hat and the mistletoe. We have a fir tree, and we also have a little robin as well to join them. And don't forget the star from the top of your tree. The sentiments are friends warm the heart, snow much fun, warm winter wishes, and sweater weather. So really, really great sentiments for all of the winter season. This stamp set also comes with coordinating dies that can be purchased separately. Our final products for the new release are brand new to Time for Tea Designs. They're brand new colours of our really popular enamel dot collection. So we have 2 brand new enamel dot collections for you to choose from for this winter period. The first one here is our festive fun. So we have some real festive colours for you to choose from. We have the traditional Christmas green and red, but then some more modern Christmas tones with the pale blue, the pastel pink, and this gorgeous purple tone, which will make for some really great accents for your Christmas projects. And then by very popular demand, I've had so many requests for these. These are our clear bubble enamel dots. All of our enamel dots are self-adhesive. They come in 3 different sizes, and you get a selection of those sizes in each set. These are absolute must-haves for all of your Christmas and winter projects. You're going to love using these. Thank you so much for joining me today for the final day of our countdown to the new release. I will be here on YouTube and Facebook live tomorrow at 8 p.m, that's British summertime, showing you the entire release in full. So I really do hope that you can join me then, and do look out for the new release that goes live 9 a.m. British summertime on Friday morning, the 11th of November. Thanks again, guys. See you soon. Bye bye now.